The iris is one of my absolute favorite paintings to paint, and one of our art class students, known as the gardener, gave me these bulbs probably about 8 years ago when I moved to the home that I am now in. So these have done well in shade, and you can see that they have some nice sunshine right now. And they are very tall. They're probably about 36 inches high. Oftentimes, artists will have recurring themes in their artwork. And I realized recently that from my college portfolio, which was 1968, and this is 2017, that I had painted iris in that era as well. I'm very honored to say that former First Lady Laura Bush has a painting of a white iris that I did, a small 8x10 oil, in her private collection. These wonderful things happen to us sometime, and it's always an honor when anybody likes our work. Oh, look, we have a little fella flitting around our, did you see that? Let me see if I can, he's hiding from us right now. There he goes. So I wanted to share these with you. Let me get very close to these so that should you want to paint a lovely purple iris, that you will maybe enjoy these. It is an afternoon that we're going to have a storm coming in a little while, so you may hear the wind blowing a bit, and I'm going to get a little bit of a different angle here for you in case you want to present your painting of iris from a different angle and upward. So glad you could share this time with me. See you soon.